Hey guys, it's Kathy the Crafty Chica. I had a challenge from Republic Services to make a costume from a pizza box, and my husband Patrick, he came up with this brilliant idea to make a Frankenstein mask. So this is one 16-inch pizza box. You can use the top, or if you want a fresh box, they cost about 50 cents. Just ask at your local pizza parlor. The first thing that he did was cut off the top. Make sure it is free of any grease or anything like that. And then you're going to roll it up to make it pliable. Measure it to the size of your head and create a strap that you will glue on both sides. The strap we made from one of the sides that we cut off of the top of the pizza box. After it's glued on, you want to create that nice flat top head like Frankenstein is known for. Go ahead and hot glue those pieces into place, and then it's time to create the mouth area. This is a big triangle cut at the bottom. Poke some holes for the eyes. And this is where you can try on the mask to make sure you can see out of it, so you know where to cut the eye holes. After you cut those out, try it on, make sure that you can see out of it safely, and then cut some eyelids. This is what will bring your Frankenstein to life. Bend down the edges of each eyelid and hot glue them on. After you do that, you want to cut a large triangle piece of cardboard that you can use for the nose. Use your fingers to bend it up in the middle to give it some contouring, and then hot glue that into place. After that, you can cut some half-shaped hearts for the ears, and for the hair and the eyebrows, we use paper bag. We just crumpled it up, rolled it, put some hot glue, and glued it on the top to give him that hairy look. Same with the eyebrows. And last but not least, paint it up. We use green paint and black for outline. And look at what you have. You have this amazing Frankenstein mask. I think my husband did a great job. Thank you so much to Republic Services for inviting me to do this campaign. It turned out so good, and to Marielle for modeling. We had so much fun. We decided to use another pizza box to make this cool helmet, again with all types of recycled materials on it. This is great for playtime beyond Halloween. Thank you so much for checking out my video, and go to craftychica.com to see even more videos and learn more about recycling and the work that I'm doing with Republic Services. Thanks guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy Halloween!